Waist and abdomen sculpting. Purposes to eliminate dumplings and toxins, dissolve fat, and shape the body. Let the client change clothes and then ask him to lie flat. Rub essential oil into your hands and move circle-wise on the abdomen with them. Repeat 3 times. Rub the belly back and forth with your hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift the diaphragm or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with your hands, doing it alternately. Repeat 16 times. Rub the intestinal tract with your overlapped hams, drawing small circles clockwise. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Along ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, pushing towards the rectum slowly. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Press the treated part with your hands, moving circle-wise. Repeat 3 times. Push from Zhongji RN3 to the belly button with your thumb. Slide to the part below the waist along the waist 2 sides and lift to the groin. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the waist and abdomen with a towel and apply radio frequency current, giving it to it. Body RF to drench channels and collaterals and do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting, advised operating time 10 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode null. Leave it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Leave the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Scalp up and down on the waist, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with the device in the hand. Repeat 16 times. Clean the waist and the abdomen with a towel and apply gel evenly to it. to blast fat and stimulates metabolism. Parameters setting. Otherwise, the operating time is 10 to 15 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode continuous working. Lift from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Go small circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Lift from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Scalp up and down on the waist. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with the device in the hand. Repeat 16 times. Clean the waist and abdomen with a towel and apply radio frequency correct evenly to it. Body vacuum RF to eliminate dumplings and toe seams and do tightening and shaping. Parameters setting. Otherwise, the operating time is 10 to 15 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode lower. Otherwise, the suction time 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Suggested release time 0 to 1.0 seconds. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Lift from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Scalp up and down on the waist, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist two sides with the device in the hand, repeat 16 times. Laser pad to dissolve fat and promote fat metabolism. Parameter setting, advanced operating time 20 minutes. Suggested energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode M1. Pick out the strap which is of short, middle, and long size and can be selected per individual condition and fasten it onto the abdomen. Insert the laser pads into the strap and tighten up. Wait for 20 minutes. Turn off the equipment, remove the pads, and untie the strap. Treatment ends. The treatment lasts 60 minutes. It's advised to take it 1 to 2 times a week, and 12 times is the course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart disease or a heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Those with skin disease or infectious disease should use it with caution.